I remember that first day that I met you in front of the Starbucks downtown. You made an impression. On the drive home, I thought to myself, man, she loves Jehovah. She's cute, intelligent, rides motorcycles, and that smile. Right then and there, I knew there was only one thing left to do.
I will never forget what a privilege it is to share life with you, and I look forward to falling in love with you every day.
Sihaya Brent, here we are at your wedding. Feel the touch of each other's hands. How does the snow feel under your shoes? Can you feel that cool breeze? Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest?
My love, today we stand here beginning the ultimate partnership for life.
I'm so proud to be standing here in front of our friends and family to make sure they know just how fortunate I am to have found you.
In your kind eyes, I have found compassion, and in your loving embrace, I have found home. I have truly been blessed with the unexpected arrival of this perfect love.
I promise to show my love daily in all my words and actions. I know there'll be tough times, and I know there'll be good times, and I'll be there to comfort, support, and celebrate those moments with you.
I promise to listen to you for as long as it takes for you to feel heard. I will be your biggest fan when you are triumphant, and when you are not, I'll remind you that you are not defined by your failures.
I promise to be the man that I see now in your eyes today, tomorrow, and for always. I promise you these things today and for the rest of my life as we serve Jehovah together.
The ring I give you today is a symbol of my endless commitment to you and for my exceptional love for you. From this day forward, you do not have to face any of life's challenges or victories alone. I will be a safe place and riding right by your side during life's adventures.
I can't wait to hold your hand for the rest of my life as my best friend. As we begin this new chapter in our lives, let our adventures begin knowing that our motorcycles won't be far away.
This is a day to cherish each other, to cherish our own lives, to reflect on the special occasion that we have here, and to realize that this is something for the future, Jehovah. You're a God that is a creator for us to be happy. This is a day for all of us to be happy. May you bless their efforts as a couple, that they can enjoy life, walk together, and enjoy the future together as well, serving you.
I'm not running from the casualties, 'cause it matter, but it's not bad for me, 'cause we're living in a masterpiece, yeah. We built houses on top of all the hills and mountains, but I'm not scared to fall from it.
you, Brent, and you, Sihaya, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence. Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
We went you said all the same.